Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Umair, and I'm here to give you an inside look at the exciting world of real estate development. We're talking big dreams, bigger buildings, and the ultimate satisfaction of seeing your vision come to life. This isn't just about blueprints and concrete, it's about transforming neighborhoods, creating opportunities, and building a legacy. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your development game, this channel is your one-stop shop for all things real estate. So buckle up, get ready to learn, and let's turn those concrete jungles into gold mines. Alright, let's break down this whole real estate development thing. We're talking about a multifaceted process that takes raw land and transforms it into something incredible. Residential complexes, commercial spaces, you name it. But hold your horses, we're not pouring concrete just yet. First, we need a plan, a blueprint for success. This means feasibility studies, market research, understanding zoning laws, and crunching those numbers to make sure this project makes dollars and cents. Next up, assembling the A-team. We're talking architects, engineers, contractors, the best in the business because we don't settle for anything less. These are the people who will take your vision from paper and turn it into a reality. Now let's talk financing. Securing the funds is crucial, whether it's through investors, loans, or a combination of both. With financing secured, it's time to break ground. This is where things get exciting, construction kicks off, and we're monitoring every step of the way, ensuring quality and staying on schedule. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, closing deals and seeing our vision come to life. Now, you might be thinking, Umair, this real estate development thing sounds intense. And you know what? It can be. But with the right skills, you'll be well on your way to conquering the concrete jungle. First things first, you need a solid understanding of the market. This isn't just about knowing property values, it's about anticipating trends, understanding demographics, and identifying those hidden gem opportunities. Next up, financial literacy is key. We're talking about analyzing deals, understanding cash flow, and mastering the art of negotiation. Remember, every dollar counts in this business, but it's not all numbers and spreadsheets. Strong communication and interpersonal skills are essential. We're dealing with investors, contractors, city officials. You need to be able to communicate your vision effectively and build those relationships. And let's not forget about problem solving. In the world of real estate development, curveballs are practically an everyday occurrence. Being able to think on your feet, adapt to challenges, and find creative solutions is crucial. Now, how do you acquire these skills? Education is a great starting point. Consider taking courses in real estate, finance, or even construction management. But remember, experience is king in this industry. Listen up, because this is a big one. In the world of real estate, it's not just about what you know, it's about who you know. Building a strong network is absolutely crucial for success. Think of your network as your own personal dream team. We're talking investors, contractors, architects, lawyers, brokers, even city officials. These are the people who can open doors, provide valuable insights, and help you navigate the complexities of the industry. So, how do you build these relationships? It's all about being proactive and putting yourself out there. Attend industry events, conferences, and workshops. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations, exchange business cards, and follow up afterwards. Join real estate associations and organizations. These are gold mines for networking opportunities and provide a platform to connect with like-minded professionals. And remember, networking isn't just about what others can do for you, it's about building genuine relationships. Be helpful, offer your expertise, and be someone that others can rely on. Social media is another powerful tool for networking. Connect with industry professionals on LinkedIn, engage in relevant conversations, and share your insights. You never know what opportunities might arise from a simple online interaction. Let's talk about the foundation of any real estate project, the land. Finding the perfect property is like discovering a hidden gem. Define your target market. Are you building luxury condos, affordable housing, or a commercial complex? Understanding your audience guides your search. Use online platforms, local listings, and explore neighborhoods. Look for land with potential. Consider zoning, utilities, transportation, and demographics. Overlooked properties can be transformed into something special. Once you find a site, conduct due diligence. Perform environmental assessments, soil testing, and title searches. Let's face it, real estate development takes a serious amount of capital. But don't let that intimidate you. Securing financing is like putting together a puzzle, and with the right approach, you'll unlock the funds you need to make your vision a reality. First and foremost, you need a rock-solid business plan. This is your roadmap to success, outlining your project, target market, financial projections, and exit strategy. Think of it as your pitch document, showcasing your vision and convincing potential lenders or investors to jump on board. Now, let's talk financing options. Traditional bank loans are a common route, but they often come with stringent requirements. Private lenders, on the other hand, may offer more flexibility but typically charge higher interest rates. Another avenue to explore is joint ventures. This involves partnering with another individual or company who can bring capital or expertise to the table. It's a win-win situation where you share both the risks and rewards. Crowdfunding has also emerged as a viable option for real estate projects. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow individuals to invest smaller amounts, making real estate investing more accessible. Preparation is everything. Have your financials in order, practice your pitch, and be prepared to answer tough questions. Alright, let's talk about the not-so-glamorous but oh-so-important aspect of real estate development legal and regulatory requirements. Trust me, you don't want to cut corners in this department. First and foremost, zoning laws. These regulations dictate how land can be used, building heights, density, and other crucial factors. Before you even think about breaking ground, make sure your project complies with all local zoning ordinances. Next up, permits. Building permits, environmental permits, demolition permits, you'll likely need a whole stack of them before you can even think about picking up a hammer. Navigating the permit process can be time-consuming, so be prepared for some bureaucratic hurdles along the way. Environmental regulations are another major consideration. We need to be mindful of our impact on the environment, so expect assessments, impact studies, and potentially even remediation efforts to address any pre-existing conditions. And let's not forget about building codes. These regulations ensure the safety and structural integrity of your project. From fire safety to accessibility standards, complying with building codes is non-negotiable. That's why it's crucial to have a skilled legal team on your side. Real estate attorneys specialize in navigating these complexities. They can help you secure permits, ensure compliance, and guide you through the legal maze. Alright, the moment we've all been waiting for, construction. This is where those blueprints transform into tangible structures. But it's not just about watching concrete pour and cranes swing. Effective construction management is crucial for staying on schedule and within budget. First things first, assembling the right team. We're talking experienced contractors, subcontractors, and project managers who share your commitment to quality and efficiency. Remember, communication is key throughout the entire construction process. Next up, establishing clear timelines and milestones. Break down the project into manageable phases and set realistic deadlines. This will help keep everyone on track and ensure that work progresses smoothly. But it's not just about sticking to a schedule. It's about maintaining quality control every step of the way. Regular site inspections, material checks, and open communication with your construction team are essential for identifying and addressing potential issues before they become major headaches. And let's not forget about safety. Construction sites can be hazardous environments, so prioritize safety protocols, provide proper training, and ensure that everyone on site adheres to strict safety regulations. Be prepared to adapt, pivot, and find creative solutions to keep the project moving forward. Congratulations, your project is nearing completion. Now it's time to showcase your masterpiece to the world. First impressions matter. So let's talk curb appeal. Professional photography and videography are essential. Think stunning visuals, virtual tours, and drone footage. Craft a compelling narrative. What makes your development stand out? Is it the location, amenities, or design? Identify your unique selling propositions. Get the word out with online listings and social media. Create an emotional connection with buyers. Host open houses and site visits. Create a welcoming atmosphere. Online presence is everything. Create a dedicated website. Engage on social media. Share updates and run ad campaigns. Ensure a successful launch and maximize ROI. So there you have it, your roadmap to navigating the exciting world of real estate development. Remember, it's a journey that requires passion, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. If you found this video helpful, Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future real estate tips and insights. And don't forget to join the conversation in the comments below. Let me know what other real estate topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. Now get out there, chase those dreams, and let's build something incredible together.